Good morning, you guys. Or actually, late morning. It is Monday here. You guys, it's at 11:32 right now. Guys, I want to go over the exact trade that I took this morning, lay this out for you guys, show you guys transparency. Here is the exact couple trades that I took this morning. We're going to go over this one here that results in about $1,300 in profit using these metrics. If you want to screenshot this just so you can see exactly what I'm looking at on the charts, I'll go and pull up this as well for you guys to see. September 30th, two trades, 100% win rate this morning on these two. But enough of that. Let's actually just go to the charts and show you exactly how I was using these metrics to pan out. In a moment, I'll of course show you guys exactly where to grab these metrics. Give a shout out to, gosh, quite a few people just in the last 24 hours in this weekend grabbing these metrics and already seeing a lot of success with it. But I'll dive into that in a second. But you guys, the reason I looked at this is the exact entry. This line here is going to show you the 20875, and then this is exactly where I took profit here, 17625. You guys go over here, that is these exact ones, 20875 and 17625, just to show you guys what I'm looking at on the charts. So I actually entered in right at this candle here. Now you're gonna say, Justin, was this a little bit premature in the market? Well, technically, but everything showed me that this was gonna be a great spot, and I actually used the buy and sell signals as a confirmation to stay within a trade to play down to close to a level of support. And I'm gonna get to that in a second, because what I was looking at here is, let's go ahead and take this off for a second. This is gonna show the exact entry on the chart. When we had this much of a drawdown in the market with this strong of a bearish candle, I waited. I then waited for the next candle to populate, and then right at candle close at this one, I ended up entering in, getting filled down right at this area below the profit wave. Background switched over to red and just dumped out of the market. Ended up getting a sell signal, which was great to show confirmation that everything was still trending. And I just played it down close to a level of support. Did it actually hit this level of support here? Yes, it did. But something I want you guys to do, if you get close to these levels, sometimes they can bounce really quick. So if you're up in profit that much, just take the profit out of the count and just run it down to this area. These are examples of literally 4 buy and sell signals that you could have taken this morning. 5, if I can do my math right. 4 of these played out really well. One of these you would have been stopped out. So that's an 80% win rate just this morning alone. Trading the NQ around my favorite time in the morning. I usually get on my computer between 7:30 and 8 o'clock. I was a little bit later this morning, took this trade here. I was not able to take these signals here or even this great buy signal afterwards that ended up running quite a bit. But this is the exact trade that I took right here. You guys, I want to give a shout out to literally within the last 24 hours, Dan, Michael, Stephen, Jeffrey, Scott, Ashan, Benjamin, Christian, Prasad. If you hear your guys' name, leave a comment below. Joshua, Jason, Brandon, Jeremy, Scott. I'm actually going to go over right now. All these guys did is go over to My Future Success. You guys have instant access to the link in the description here. Grab lifetime access to this. Never pay any service fees, and literally all one-on-one training. I'm booked out about a week in advance. I have one training today that I'm going to be doing with a gentleman, but take a look at some of these reviews over here that have come in. I'll go ahead and update this just so you guys know I'm not just randomly putting out names. 215 was the last time we updated this. Let's go and look at it now. This is now at 247. So congrats. Let's keep going. Matthew, Jeffrey, Kumar, Brent, and let's go to another one here. Kelsey, thank you guys so much. Now, we'll let you guys know too. I use Take Profit Trader. They let me know through an email saying that the current discount that they're doing is going to be ending soon. Now, guys, if you go over to Take Profit and you sign up with their account, make sure to use My Future Success and apply this. This will literally take this from 360 and cut it in half. Guys, not only that, on your first payout, they're going to give you back all the fees that you paid initially for this in your first payout. Essentially, to get started, they're going to give it all back to you. Now, there is an activation fee once you go to Pro, but all of these are going to be waived. I would highly recommend do not pay more for these accounts than you need to. This will work on every account. 50K, 70K, 100K, 150K. I'm just using this as an example because that's the ones I use. So this will literally take this from 360 down to 180. So just make sure to grab those things, get these metrics, and just see what a lot of people are having success with. You know, what's really cool is actually just take a moment when you guys have a second and read through some of these reviews over here. It's absolutely incredible. I have the great honor of literally wake up in the morning and getting emails from people literally saying, Justin, this is changing my life. I'm able to pull out funds the account growing $3,400. That's absolutely incredible. And it's nice to be able to see that and to see the success that a lot of people are already having. But just take a look at this. It's just a good read and a lot of motivation. And all I'm trying to do, you guys, is to make things easier to understand in the market and make it a little bit simpler to hopefully elevate your trading game to the next level so you can start seeing some success. If you guys have any questions or comments, please do leave them below. I'll get back to you right away, or you can email me directly. But I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. God bless. Take care.